All right, so today we're installing our cup shifter into a 991 GT3. It's a really simple process. You start by first twisting this lower collar counterclockwise about 45 degrees. Sometimes it's a little stiff, but this one turns right away. After you turn it, you just pull it up. That's it. Done. Cheap plastic shifter, gone. This is our shifter, our cup shifter. 2 set screws face forward so you don't see them. Insert the shifter. Make sure it's pressed all the way down. Take the supplied Allen wrench and tighten the set screws. That's one. This is the other one. And that's it. Under a minute, you're done. Done.